students, staff, friends, and families. Chris here from Major Saver. We are so excited to be kicking off the 2024-2025 Major Saver campaign in your schools today. Students, each one of you are going home with a packet that looks just like this. If you could, do us a huge favor and clearly print your first and last name, your teacher's name, and your grade here at the top. That way, if it gets lost or misplaced, we can get it back to you as quickly as possible. Fold it, put it in your backpack or your take-home folder, get this out tonight, share this information with your families. There's a lot of good information here on the front side of the packet. Now, I'm sure many of you remember, but just as a reminder, the Major Saver card is a discount card. It is loaded with offers from local businesses and restaurants, all offering a buy one, get one free deal or a special discount to the card holder. Now, the card itself costs only $15. In addition to those local businesses, you're also going to get access to the Major Saver app that has thousands of reusable offers on it that can be used both locally and regionally, as well as nationwide. Now, who are some good people that you can ask about buying a Major Saver card to support your fundraising efforts? Think friends and families, moms and dads, aunts and uncles, grandparents, friends of your family. If you're involved with sports or activities outside of school and it's cool with them, take this along with you. You might run into someone, doesn't have a student here in the district, so they'll end up buying a Major Saver card from you. Another quick tip, maybe a parent or a family member can take this to work with them. Again, they might work with someone, doesn't have a student here in the district, so they'll end up buying a Major Saver card from you because it's such an awesome value. Now, how can they go about buying a card? That's a great question. They have two options. The first one is cash or check. You're going to put their money inside of this packet. You're going to write their name over here in this box so you know whose money you have collected and who you're going to owe your Major Saver cards back to. You'll then bring this packet back to school with you on any of the collection days that are listed here in the upper left-hand corner on that picture of our calendar. If you have money to turn in, please make sure that your first and last name, your teacher's name and grade are clearly written here at the top and give it to your teacher first thing in the morning. We'll have it sent down to the office. The Major Saver rep will stop by during the day. We'll take the money out. We'll put the cards in. We'll put the prizes in. And then we'll give you your packet back so you can keep on selling until that last collection day. Option number two, they can buy their card online at majorsaver.com using a credit or debit card. You, the student, can make this process even easier on them if you visit our website first and click on the button at the top that talks about creating a unique student link. By entering in just a few pieces of information, we'll generate a unique link just for you. You can copy and paste it into a text message, a social media post. You even have the ability to email it out to friends and family directly from our website. Now, a few important things to note about our online sales process is, one, all online sales are mailed directly to the person who bought it. So if you receive your packet back and you have prizes but no cards, chances are that was for an online sale. Important point number two is, it does not matter where the card comes from. They can purchase a card in their local area if they don't live in your local school district. But again, it doesn't matter where the card comes from. If they're crediting you, the student, back here in your local district, you will get credit for that sale. And we'll deliver your prizes to school the day after or a couple days after the online sale is completed. Now, the third and most important thing is our online sales are reported to our reps the following day. So that really plays in on the last day and the first day when we talk about some different bonus prizes. So if you wake up to school and it's their first collection day and you're thinking, oh my gosh, mom, dad, we forgot to buy our Major Saver cards. Go ahead and buy them online. That's great. You're still going to get credit for the day one bonus. You'll just be getting credit for the day one bonus on the second day as opposed to the first day. Now, speaking of prizes, on the backside of our packet is our entire prize program. We've got some great stuff lined up for you. Stay tuned. Here it comes. Now on to the fun stuff, the prizes. On the backside of your packet, you will see our entire prize program laid out for you. We have prize ranging from zero, that's right, 0 Major Saver cards being sold, all the way to 50 cards being sold. So let's get started. Our prize for selling one card this year, we have our fidget ink pens. Now, the little LED light on the inside or on the end of it, they come in red or blue, and there's a little spinner here on the inside. This is our LED fidget pen. This is our prize for selling one Major Saver card. After one, we go to three. Our three card prize is our mini fidget pack. Now, this pack includes 5 miniature fidget toys. One I opened up this morning, I'll show you real quick. We have our world's smallest fidget tube, a little Gumby stretchy guy, bouncy ball. It comes with a little googly-eyed ring. And then my personal favorite, the miniature Rubik's Cube. Again, this is our prize for selling 3 Major Saver cards, our mini fidget pack. After 3, we go to 7. Our 7-point prize is our stretch and squish cheeseburger. This is like a stress ball. You can squeeze it, but the cool thing is you can take it apart and play with each individual component separately. So we have our top bun, we've got our cheese, the lettuce, Of course, the stretchy all beef patty, and then the bottom bun. This is our prize for selling 7 Major Saver cards, our stretch and squish cheeseburger. Now, after 7, we go to 11. Our 11-point prize, this is our fast push game. This is set up for hours of fun. It's very addictive. My high score is level 22, so you'll have to keep us posted on your high score. Again, this is our prize for selling 11 or more Major Saver cards, our fast push game. Now, our 15-point prize, I am super excited to tell you about. Now, it's not a tangible prize, meaning a prize like this that you can take home like a fast push game. It's more of a student experience. Every student who sells 15 or more Major Saver cards will get to attend an all-you-can-eat pizza party. But the best part is they get to go there and back in a nice stretch limousine. Again, that's right. Every student who sells 15 or more Major Saver cards will get to attend the all-you-can-eat pizza party and go there and back again in a nice stretch limousine. After 15, we go to 20. Our 20-point prize, we have our giant monster balls. Now, these don't come inflated, so you'll be able to get them home nice and easily in your backpack. They come in 4 different colors, but again, this is our 20-point prize, our giant monster balls. After 20, we go to 30. Our 30-point prize is our wireless Bluetooth charging speaker. Now, the little charger's here on top. It's a contact charger. Works as a nightlight with the LEDs. You can scroll through the different colors of LEDs. Again, this is our prize for selling 30 or more Major Saver cards, our Bluetooth LED charging speaker. After 30, we go to 50. Our 50-point prize, we have down here at the bottom side of this poster. It is our smart flat screen TV. Again, this is our prize for selling 50 or more Major Saver cards. Now, there's one more prize to tell you about, our day 1 bonus. Flip here on the back side of the poster. We have our Fraser collectible keychains. They come in 12 unique designs, and you'll get one for every card sold between now and that first day. Now, let's check out these Fraser characters in a little more detail.
Was bumping, and everybody having a ball, until the fellas started name calling, and the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout, who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Now, those Frasers are hard at work. Now, if you remember me talking about that 0 card being sold prize, I want to highlight that. It's on the bottom side of this poster. You'll see it on the back side of your packet. It's for our Fraser called Jackpot. Now, there's one way and one way only a student can earn the Jackpot Fraser. When I talked about creating that unique student link and being able to email it out directly from our website, if you do that for 10 or more friends or family members, whether they buy a card or not, you'll be going home with Jackpot in addition to your other prizes. Now, stay safe selling, and we'll see you next week.